The purpose of this video is to show you the setup for the Mechanical Energy Conservation Lab. This is a different track than you've used before. Hopefully a little bit less friction on this track than on the other tracks we were using. You might have seen this before if you were in the JAWS program. I heard you use this in your physics component in physical science. This particular setup has two tracks. The first one has a bent arm to it, and that is this piece right here. The second piece has a straight arm to it, and that's this piece right here. You're going to use a photo gate just like you used before, and I'm going to show you how to set that up because we're going to set it up a little bit differently for this lab. You are going to have a stopper on the end. The stopper has a rubber band so that when the cart runs through, it bounces back and doesn't fall off the track. And then you have a different type of ring stand that has this thing called physics stand that actually has a level on there, and to adjust the level of the physics stand, there are feet underneath that you can play with to see that you can get the bubble inside this green thing. I don't think that this needs to be 100% level in order for you to get good results, but you can play around with it to see if you can. You also have this purple stand here. The purple stand will allow you to screw in the bent part of the ramp wherever you see fit. You don't have to use only two pieces of ramp. You can have more pieces. Just know that we have a limited amount and 8 groups in this class. So in order to play with your ramp, you have an energy car. There are 2 of them in your kit, an orange one and a blue one. The blue one is what you want. The orange one is a sled, and that will produce too much friction for this lab. There are marbles that you will place inside the cart, and that's just to weigh down the energy car so that you might have better results when you transfer energy from its highest position to its lowest position. So what you're going to do here is choose a location at the top of the ramp. You're going to release, and my cart was heavy enough that it even broke through the rubber band and just stopped at the stopper. The nice thing about this particular track is that the car should run perfectly straight, and you shouldn't have a lot of energy loss due to friction and the car moving horizontally. Also notice that when I run the cart down the ramp, which I will do so here, you will see that red light turn on and off as the cart passes right underneath the ramp. I'm going to pause this video now, and then we're going to flip to the vernier side so I can show you how to set this up for the Mechanical Energy Conservation Lab.